You keep looking at your empty hands, counting every place you think you lack. You keep asking, could I ever be enough? I answered that on a wooden cross. I remember every tear you hide, every late night fear you never voice. You say, would anyone stay if they saw it all? I stay, I'm not letting go. You're my Valentine, long before the roses, before the cards and lines. I wrote your name into my scars. In time I chose you, I chose you. You're my Valentine, not just for a day, but for your whole life. When the whole world leaves, I still call you mine. I love you, I love you. I was there when you first learned to breathe. I'll be there when you take your final breath. Every heartbeat is a yes I sing over all you are and all you'll be. When you doubt it, come and see my hands. Every wound a promise that I won't turn back. When you're certain you're too far this time,